Sanchi Stupa is the oldest building of India. It was commissioned by King Ashoka in 3rd century BCE. The Mauryan period is considered as the beginning of the classical period of India architecture. The Mahabodhi temple. The temple was first constructed by the great Emperor Ashoka in 250 BCE. Some examples of including Tamil architectures are Mughal architecture, Sikh architecture, cave architecture, many are there. These are the some of the things. How many monuments does India have? This is the question. For answer is there are hundreds of thousands of monuments spread across the length and breadth of the country, but some of the most prominent ones including the Taj Mahal, Agra Fort, Akbar's tomb, Indian Gate, Red Fort, then Qutub Minar, Char Minar, then so many are there. The Gateway of India, Elephants Caves, Statue of Unity, Sanchi Stupa, group of monuments in Hampi, Amber Fort, Hawa Mall, so many are there. The Elephant Caves on the Elephanta Island is in the Mumbai Harbour. A 1 hour ferry ride from the Gateway of India is one of the oldest known monuments. Some examples include there are more architecture in India. From the time of Mahajanapadas 600 BCE to 320 BCE, walled and moated cities with large gates and multi-storied buildings which consistently used arched windows and doors and made intense use of wood architecture are important features of architecture during this period. Some examples including temple architecture, Mughal architecture, Dravidian architecture, Sikh architecture, cave architecture. Many early Indian builds were made of wood which was often decayed, burned or bricked that has been removed from for reuse. What were buildings like in ancient India? The walls of homes were made of hand-formed baked bricks, while the foundation were laid with sun-dried bricks. Instruments were used to ensure the exact vertically alignments of the houses. The interior and exterior walls were covered with plaster and often painting. The roofs of the homes were flattened and made of woods. Thank you.